Welcome to EarthTab Business School. My name is Ibrahim Bello and I will be your course preceptor. For the course Vocal Health and Maintenance, the Vocal Health and Maintenance course is a comprehensive, multidisciplinary training program designed to equip voice users, both professional and recreational, with the knowledge, skills, and strategies to protect, enhance, and maintain optimal vocal function throughout their lives. Grounded in anatomy, physiology, behavioral science, and vocal pedagogy, this course provides a rich blend of theoretical foundations, practical techniques, preventative care strategies, and voice rehabilitation protocols. It is ideal for singers, actors, public speakers, teachers, broadcasters, clergy, call center agents, and other occupational voice users whose livelihood or communication is voice dependent. This course addresses both the art and science of vocal health, combining voice training techniques with medical and therapeutic considerations that affect vocal longevity and performance. Special emphasis is placed on vocal hygiene, voice conservation techniques, risk factors for vocal pathology, diagnostic markers of strain and damage, recovery practices, and the integration of lifestyle, nutrition, and mental health in voice wellness. Course objectives. By the end of the course, you will be able to describe the anatomical and physiological structures involved in voice production, identify common causes and symptoms of vocal strain, fatigue, and pathology, apply vocal hygiene principles to daily life and professional practice, perform warm-up and cool-down routines designed to protect the voice, recognize harmful vocal behaviors and modify them through technique and awareness, understand the role of hydration, nutrition, rest, and environmental factors in voice quality, respond appropriately to early signs of vocal distress and fatigue, collaborate with medical and speech-language professionals when intervention is needed, develop a personalized vocal maintenance plan that aligns with professional demands. Course format and structure. The course will be delivered through the following elements: 10 thematic modules, each with expanded topics, case studies, and interactive practices, weekly vocal exercises and hygiene routines, audio and video demonstrations, self-assessment quizzes, end-of-course final examination, printable maintenance worksheets and charts, certificate of completion upon passing final exam. Target audience. This course is ideal for singers, classical, gospel, pop, contemporary, opera, voice coaches and vocal trainers, teachers and lecturers, public speakers and broadcasters, actors and stage performers, speech therapists and ENT support staff, religious leaders, podcasters, and influencers, call center and customer service personnel, anyone recovering from vocal injury or fatigue. Course philosophy. The philosophy behind this course is rooted in vocal stewardship, the belief that the human voice is a vital and irreplaceable instrument that requires proactive care, intentional use, and consistent development. As a physical, emotional, and psychological asset, the voice reflects a person's identity, presence, and influence. Thus, maintaining vocal health is both a personal responsibility and a professional imperative. Course themes and key topics. Each module dives into critical aspects of voice health, combining foundational science with applied voice care strategies. Understanding the vocal instrument, anatomy of the larynx, vocal folds, resonators, articulators, the role of breath, posture, and phonation, how sound is produced and amplified, vocal hygiene and daily habits, principles of vocal hygiene, hydration, steam therapy, and dietary impact, rest, recovery, and voice-friendly environments, warm-ups and cool-downs, purpose and physiology of vocal prep, morning versus performance day routines, step-by-step warm-up sequences, common vocal disorders, vocal nodules, polyps, cysts, and hemorrhages, laryngitis, muscle tension dysphonia, GERD, early detection signs and symptoms, vocal strain and injury prevention, causes of voice overuse and misuse, preventing vocal fatigue in teaching, singing, or speaking. Techniques to reduce impact and recover faster. Breath support and control. Diaphragmatic breathing. Managing breath pressure and airflow. Exercises for vocal endurance and projection. Posture, alignment, and bodywork. The role of the spine, head, neck, and jaw. Alexander technique and Feldenkrais in vocal health. Physical relaxation techniques. Nutrition, lifestyle, and environmental impact. Foods that support versus hinder vocal health. Sleep, caffeine, alcohol, and smoking impact. Allergens, air quality, and humidity. Vocal use in performance and professional settings. Microphone technique and amplification use. Vocal pacing during long rehearsals or lectures. Maintaining vocal quality across genres and speech types. Rehabilitation and medical intervention. When to see an ENT or speech-language pathologist. Voice therapy and rehabilitation strategies. Post-surgical voice care. Conclusion. The voice is a deeply personal and professional asset. Whether you are singing before thousands, teaching a class, preaching to a congregation, or speaking into a podcast mic, your voice is your power. This course empowers you to treat their voice not just as a tool, but as a living instrument worthy of training, care, and respect. I look forward to congratulating you upon completion of this course.